Do you understand? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the 6708 State versus Kaylee Vader, or is it Vater?
Vader, miss.
Vader.
Here we go. State versus Kaylee Vader. The tone just changed. What you're seeing now is the start of a formal arraignment, the legal moment where the court confirms the charges and rights. Every yes, ma'am you'll hear after this isn't politeness, it's legal acknowledgement. This is how the system locks in understanding before a plea even hits the record.
Can I have parties announce?
Danielle Cranberg for the defense.
And are you Ms. Vader?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Vader, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
The best of my ability, yes, ma'am.
Well, this is the document. That's the indictment. It tells you what you're charged with. Did you review that with your attorney?
I believe so.
Well, we're not doing I believe so's. Either you did or you didn't.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
So this document tells you what you're charged with. Did you review it with your client? I'm sorry, with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am. I believe so.
All right. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Mr. Reitmeyer?
Yes, ma'am.
So your client thinks, your witness thinks they're in the waiting room?
That's what I'm told. He's joining now. That's what I just got.
All right, because he's not in the waiting room. You may want to make sure that you have the right number. All right, we're back on the record. Ms. Vader, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with fraudulent use or possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Vader, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 PF 25525. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that you have no contact with Janaya Krista Ortega. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. City Exhibit number 1 with all the attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to call the evening. Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say? Miss?
Rather than
That small "I'm sorry" might sound simple, but emotionally, this is the heart of the case. You can feel the guilt colliding with denial. The judge isn't just reacting to a crime here. She's trying to peel back layers of trauma, addiction, and regret. Notice how the tone shifts from legal to personal. This is what makes courtroom moments so powerful. They're half justice, half humanity.
sorry has caused an inconvenience to my sister.
All right, it's more than just an inconvenience. Why would you use her cards and everything?
I didn't use her cards, Your Honor. All I said was I just gave her name whenever the police questioned, because this was the nature of this was so bad that I guess they called the cops. And my assumption, I don't remember anything really, honestly. I was in septic shock by the time they kind of got me. I don't remember where I was.
Well,
I
no,
don't remember the conversation. really,
according
or
to the
anything,
police report,
but-
your sister said you called her and you told her she was gonna be mad
This was
because
this
you
was
used her
after-
information.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, here's the thing. When's the last time you had employment?
Since before my daughter was born, I was a stay-at-home mom
And where's your daughter now?
with her dad, with her.
And how old is she?
father. She's 8.
All right, and what have you been doing with your life? Be honest.
Since I came into the system, I tried to follow probation. I had a job and all that, but I wasn't prepared for how empty I'd be without her, and I ended up out on the streets and doing drugs.
All right, so no, here's the thing. I
And
understand
that's
you're,
me, but
I understand you're saying that's why you ended up on the streets doing drugs, but there's more going on. And if you want to be in your daughter's life, you're going to have to make better choices. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 PF 25525. There's to be no contact with Janae Kirsta Ortega, and I'll recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, when you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support house to stay in or transition housing, and I'm still here, you can come back here and I'll find a placement for you. But if you continue the way you are, it's not going to turn out well for you. You understand? All right, good luck to you.